Hello, this is Daryl for Tuesday, the 22nd of March 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. So today was a sad day globally as we had the attacks in Brussels, Belgium. Basically, it was three men that planned some attacks, was involved in attacks that they blew up the airport and other transportation areas there in Brussels. So it was a very sad moment worldwide, really, because it really affected the markets today. Because today the markets is in red because of those attacks. So what we had today was the U.S. crude settled lower today, and this was after a report from the American Petroleum Institute, or API. They came out and they said today that U.S. crude stockpiles rose almost 9 million barrels last week to reach a record high of nearly 532 million barrels. So what this is basically saying is that um, oil is still stockpiling. It is still creating an inventory that needs to be sold in order for the price to really be stable. So as we were announcing before that, we really think that we hit a bottom when it went down to $29 a barrel. But what is possible is that we will still have more volatility. And this, based on this report here, we could expect tomorrow and the coming days that we will have some selling. Basically, because this inventory is there, we know that the price of oil then would be affected, and so there would be profit taken because we have now had a 50% gain in the past 6 weeks in the oil prices. Because if you have been watching it, you recognize it's up to like $40 a barrel, the Brent. So what that means is that it has really gained from the $29 a barrel, but that could be in jeopardy right now, and could be threatened. That price could be threatened because of this announcement. So we will definitely have some selling. How far it will go down, and will it stay down, and all of that is left to be seen. But there will definitely be some selling in the crude oil market because of this announcement, right? But one thing is to be certain, though, is that we have seen the correlation between oil prices and the markets separated, meaning that before, earlier in the year, we saw that oil prices, based on how oil prices went, the markets went. But we are seeing that shift now, where although the markets is down, it doesn't mean that the markets itself will go down with the oil prices. So which is good to know. Right, so what did we have today? Well, we had the Dow Jones average closed down today, 41.30 points to 17,582.57. We had the S&P 500 today closed down 1.80 points to 2,049.80. But the big change with the markets, although the Dow was down and the S&P 500 was down, the Nasdaq actually closed in the positive today, and it closed up 12.79 points to 4,821.66. So all in all, it was a different market in that we had some positivity in early trading, but with the attacks in Brussels, it really affected the markets adversely and turned the Dow and the S&P to the negative. Right? So what will happen tomorrow? Could we see the markets regain its strength and have a nice rally going towards the weekend? Well, We'll be here to break down the markets for you as it comes. Okay? So this is Daryl. This has been the DE Market Summary. Have a good day.